Isn't Wheel in Nature? Ride 1, like Extreme Nature. Colorado, baby. What up? Subscribe. You going down there? I'm here. Where'd you go? Damn, I spun out there. Wasn't expecting the power of 4. Turbo mode. Damn, gravelly down here. I don't know. There's a neighborhood back there. I might turn around and go back and ride through that. I've been riding on this for about 2 miles or something. Checking it out. This video is in 4K 60. Thanks for letting me know. Bike trail. Hand runners. Ooh, what is this? I might go that way. If it's paved or something, I might change directions. No, definitely not paved. But I'll still ride it. Bumpo. Bumpo. Hill. Yeah, I went to step on the gas and I like spun out a little bit. Maybe I'll crest this hill and then probably turn around. I don't want to like. I'm in definitely far away from home, so I don't really know where I'm going. I need to sort of like stick to like the plan and stay on the same path. Plus, it's boring anyways over here. The mountains. Some sun going away. Psych. Sun came right back out. Up this hill, tiny little bit, and then back down this hill to that big bonk bridge. There's that one guy I talked to. Yeah, I think I'll just head back. Oh, dip there. Whoa. Whole bunch of gravel there. No thank you. Alright, let's see how this goes. No one behind me. Well, see if I can find a mountain view. There's one coming up, I'm pretty sure. I'm just taking a few photos. There it is. There's the bench. That's the photo shot. That's where I started with this ride. I'm pretty sure this camera has stabilization, but my ultra wide camera doesn't. I'm gonna switch to that ultra wide camera, but it'll still be in 4K 60. Just maybe a little bit more shaky. That way I can film other stuff and not have to focus on like what I'm filming. Yeah, I'm gonna switch cameras right now.